Siap buka puasa. Now I'm gonna take my mask. I'm just gonna wear my white mask because I don't know. Should I wear a bag? If I don't wear a bag, I will feel empty. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to wear this bag. I got it from Zara. Got it for me a few years ago. Yeah. It was a very long time ago. Anyways, yeah, just like this bag is actually from 2019. So if you guys wondering, you've been looking at Zara and like, where's the bag that you bought? Like, it's not here. Well, it was 2019, so yeah. I've seen a lot of my vlogs that I don't talk too much. Like example in Paris video. Paris and probably in Dubai later you guys will see me. Well, I'm trying to talk more, but like I feel awkward when I in public. So like yeah. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna show my. So this is my outfit. Just some sweater from H&M, bag from Zara, and pants thrifted, I think. I don't know. And this hijab is just from Shopee. Mask also from Shopee. Yeah. So this is my outfit. It's just some simple outfit because I don't know, we're not going somewhere special, so yay.
You got me acting stupid for some medicine. I feel I'm on the road, getting better as